Figured you'd be all over this.
Yeah, I don't mind that. Guys, welcome to Running Joe Off-Road. We're in for a good time. Welcome back, Running Joe Off-Road fam. Filming here. We got a new truck. Buddy of mine decided I got more tools than he does at home, so we're gonna try and fix
that thing.
He's got a door that's all dented up. Somebody used house paint on it, so we're gonna get set up here. There's a couple things we got to do first. First things first, we'll have to get this door out. Looks like it's an old CN door. There is some dents on it, but it might be a little more salvageable.
Not as bad as the old door.
And then I might bust out the polishing gear, try and get rid of some of the goo gun. We got to get this door panel off. Part of the reason this one's a little more rare, crank windows. So we'll have to get a few things off of this. And so give us a couple minutes and we're just gonna get set up and start getting this door panel tore off. It's always nice when you pop the door panel off and you actually see a decent speaker sitting in there. Woohoo!
Now I can find the right socket.
Probably a 7mm.
Tried that was too deep.
Oh, it's metric.
Quarter.
Yeah, put in probably a...
I did this. I need to give a...
So we're gonna keep going here, guys. Don't mind the speed up in video with the sound. Honestly, there's nothing really exciting about it. Well, new door's on. The only thing we got to do here now, so wiring harness is hooked back up. Just got to install a speaker. We got to get the door handle from the old door. Not going to be too difficult. We're just going to sneak our heads in here and see what we need. So we're going to need a 10 mil, and it should just pop out. Wow. It is straight and closes beautifully.
Woohoo! Redneck individual.
Yeah. Okay, so I'm gonna find a 10 mil wrench here and we'll get this door handle off. Get the old ratcheting 10 mil. I didn't grab my swivel head. I think he'll do better without. Let's see if I can get this. Oh, it's an 8 mil. No, it's not. Yeah. Work. Yeah. No, let's start something. When you were at the
I didn't put the heavy drink and heavy wing ahead.
no, I know.
I made it a bit better. Oh, this truck sits quite.
Whew. That black on the tailgate's hot. You're just gonna eat it.
Everybody drives old sleds. We don't drive new shit, really.
Mark, there's an easy solution to this. So guys, well, I just pulled a dummy on.
Oh, see?
There's always an easy way, guys.
I didn't even know that.
Just need to get the.
Then you push this clip with your fingers. Usually we use a wrench or there we go. That off. And done. And we didn't break the bolts.
Nothing.
So we just need this. Nope, this one.
Just the open. So
You have to turn it.
on the inside like this, or
Here you hold it.
yeah. Okay, yeah,
Oh,
and then
wait.
I was gonna say, I was like, this isn't.
Pop it up
Yeah, prop it up, twist it down.
and twist that down on the rod. Done.
And then pull it up.
Push it in. Put the bolt in, you're done.
Oh, I'll have to do some editing with the camera upside down. hope you guys enjoyed that little bit of content. I'll do a bit of a walk around. It's not the most beautiful truck, but it is a truck in progress. He's always working on things. Sometimes it pays to have friends with a decent tool selection. Danger Cats. His snow club, snowmobile club, Midwest Snow Kings. I'll probably get out with them once or twice this winter when it gets that. Might seem like that's an eternity away, but it really isn't here. And I'm hoping to convince him that a nice big single turbo on this Force 8 will be fun. Probably at least another year. He's got to get through winter. His Dodge regular cab short box is not a winter vehicle by any means. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Let me know, give me a thumbs up, like, and most of all subscribe. Talk to you guys later.